Our hometown of Marshall, North Carolina has been destroyed. Catastrophic flooding has left many in the area without power, water, cell phone service, and food. The irony is, at the same time, local farms have fields of food going to waste because their normal sales outlets of farmers markets, CSAs, and restaurants are closed. They can donate the food to local relief organizations, and they are, but that doesn't pay the bills. Here's where you can help. Local food relief organizations could buy that food from farmers instead, bridging a critical financial gap for local farms. What they need is the funding to do so. With your financial donations, we can purchase the produce at fair market price from local farms and distribute to people in need in the community for free. You can be a part of our solution right now to uplift local farms and feed Western North Carolina. Click the button below to donate now and like and follow our page for updates. Your support right now means everything.